Repeat after me. I am a messenger on a mission. I believe every presentation matters. I know the platform is a privilege. I inspire by example and live a life worth watching. I put the message before the messenger. I see it's more than the speech I give. It's the life I live. I know ego disconnects me from my audience. I connect through authenticity and transparency. I will make mistakes. I will stumble. I will fall. I'll get up stronger. I know in every audience, someone needs hope. My responsibility is to constantly improve my skills and my stories. I prepare like a champion to serve and make a difference. I know tough audiences teach me. My primary intent is for my audience's outcome, not to boost my ego. I know my audience is watching me on and off stage. So I must be an example of honesty, integrity, and skill so that I can make my mission matter. I change lives one presentation at a time.
It's stage time. Let's do this.